Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the co-founder at 10xkids.com. So as you can see, piano is there, so obviously I'm going to play a song on the piano. So as it was Janmashtami, so I wanted to play a song for Krishan ji. So the song what I'm going to play is Yashoda Ka Nand Lala, as you must have seen in the title. So let's just get started. And I hope I don't make any mistake. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. So this was it, and happy Janmashtami and happy birthday Krishan ji. So this was the song, and good thing I didn't make any mistake. And this was a great time, and I hope you. I really want to know how you made your Janmashtami. I was very excited and I did a lot of things, so it was really fun, and I hope it was with you too. So thank you so much and happy Janmashtami. Bye guys.